Its vision to become a global player has contributed immensely to the successful manufacture of a wide range of automotive products, including critical welded assemblies like cross-car beam for passenger cars, tractor fenders, hood and grilled assemblies, and also welded assemblies like brake and clutch pedals and wide range of fabricated components. Welding quality is critical aspect of all welded assemblies. Reliable strives to get latest welding solutions like CMT, cold metal transfer technology, which has distinguished advantages like excellent gap bridging ability, 50% less dilution of base and filler metal cutting cost, ultra-high precision in welding process, extremely low spatter, minimal distortion, extremely low thermal input, higher welding speeds boosting the productivity. Synchronized welding process is used for cross-car beam to ensure horizontal welding of all the specified area.